Hello friends, welcome to this glorious channel of mine. I'm working on a different video, it's taking a long time, so instead I have decided to make a quick video morphing my face into the faces of Disney princesses. It's a filler video, because the algorithm doesn't like it when I go too long between uploads. I've tried to do my makeup as not blindingly red as I normally do, just some general neutral colors, just to give me a bit of a foundation to work with. I've also got a new set, isn't it cute? So let's go sit in front of the wall and take some base footage that I can pull screenshots from to morph my face into random Disney princesses. All right, I think I'm in focus. Okay, we'll start with this one. She has her mouth, like she's looking up, lots of exposed neck. Let's move that hair out of the way. So she's like 3/4 view, looking up, neck exposed, and she has her upper teeth visible. Hope that's good enough. Now we've got to do a classic Elsa. You can see her ear. Should I take my earrings out? And she's more looking like down, but her neck is backed the fuck up. And she's doing like sexy eyes with one eyebrow raised, which is, oh fudge, I can't raise my other eyebrow. I can only raise this one. Well, I guess that's a job for Procreate. I'm still gonna try and just raise both of my eyebrows and I'll just smash the wrong one in. One of those has gotta work. Okay, we'll say Belle. I'm gonna go Belle. So she's facing this way, but she's almost like forward. She's only like a tiny bit and she's like really exposing her neck though. So her head's like tilted. This neck position does not make sense. It looks very bent and you can only see her teeth. She does feel like she's looking down slightly, but I'm not sure if that's completely accurate. It doesn't really matter, this is just for a base because this photo is gonna get stretched to hell. And that's enough to work with for the next stage of this. Okay, now for the next stage in this beautifully cursed process, we're gonna take the photo and the cartoon drawing and we're just gonna kind of liquefy my face into the shape. Just a lot of contorting to basically be the right shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, we'll work on the fine details later. In order to do this, I traced over the original drawing with some white line art so that I could use that as a mold. I made sure to blend out all of my pores because princesses don't have pores. Me and my homies hate pores. My face needs to look smooth, like the brain of someone pushing NFTs. When you are creating a princess, you must remember to stretch out the eyes and make them giant. Remember, the eyes are the swimming pool of the face. The next princess we're going to be crafting is Belle. Same thing, can trace the outline, and then we're just gonna contort the face. Princesses have very big hair big enough to crush their skulls. So we're gonna go ahead and stretch all that nonsense out. As you can clearly see here, princesses are aliens. That's why we need to get that good alien look. She's very cranial. Princesses don't have noses or mouths, that's why you shrink them down and make them very tiny, but they got very big brains. What do you think they're hiding under that hair? Princess secrets, obviously. I'm gonna be honest, the day was getting late when it came to Elsa, so I didn't get too far into the details with this one. Some things I learned about Elsa in making this. Elsa has a very squished face and an unreasonably long neck. A princess always has a very long neck, like a brontosaurus. Brontosauruses make great princesses. What I've gathered from this cursed experiment is that princesses are not human. There you go. A life lesson. Thank you for watching this stupid video I've just made. Maybe next time I need to throw together a video in a day, I will do this with Pokemon or something. Just in case you didn't know, I have a coloring book on Amazon for $7, and I also have a new shirt design that is available below this video. That is all I have for you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you later. Goodbye. I've hidden the awesome points somewhere in this video. Go forth and find them.